Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore iPhone passcode access without losing data step by step clearly. To restore iPhone passcode access without losing data, start by ensuring your iPhone has been backed up recently. Connect your iPhone to a computer using a USB cable. Open iTunes if you're using a PC or an older Mac. If you're using macOS Catalina or later, open Finder instead. Put your iPhone into recovery mode. To do this, for iPhone 8 or later, quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Then, press and hold the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press and hold both the volume down and side buttons simultaneously until you see the recovery mode screen. For iPhone 6s and earlier, press and hold both the home and the top, or side, buttons until the recovery mode screen appears. Once your iPhone is in recovery mode, locate your device in iTunes or Finder. You will see a prompt that gives you the option to restore or update. Choose the update option. This will attempt to reinstall iOS without erasing your data. Wait for iTunes or Finder to download the software. If it takes more than 15 minutes, your iPhone may exit recovery mode. If that happens, repeat the recovery mode steps again. After the update process completes, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your iPhone. Your passcode should now be removed, allowing access without data loss. Finally, restore your backup if needed from iCloud or your computer to regain any missing information. Congratulations, you have successfully restored passcode access without losing data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.